Mr. Muskrat, I see you changed because you were warm.
Yes.
And I'm freezing, so we're
Yeah, which makes no sense. You have on 3 layers, including your hair, and I have on barely anything
including
at this point.
My hair. He's gonna be in a thong by the end of the day.
No, I mean Christian's stopping by later tonight.
Okay, we're leaving. I think Xander and I are going home. What are you doing, Shaky? You already tightened that.
No, I didn't.
Oh.
I got it all in place.
Oh, well there it is. So let's tighten it up, eh? Do the tighten up. Dun, 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 dun. Let's do it, huh? Ding, fries are done, Scott. The fries are done. Do you want me to do that?
Yes, please.
Going together, come together.
Here, I'll film you work.
You're gonna film me working it, girl?
Mm-hmm. And I help.
This isn't shake and bake.
And he remembers the commercial.
Nice. That's how my mom made pork chops my entire childhood.
Yeah.
I like shake and bake. Thank you very much.
So do I.
You know what else I like? Stovetop stuffing.
Goth chicks?
Yes. Stovetop stuffing.
Oh, I love stovetop stuffing. I always have. Stovetop or nothing else.
You know what? I also love green bean casserole.
It's been a long time since I've had that.
But I don't make it like the soup can recipe. I make it far better.
I couldn't tell you. I mean, it's got to be 30 plus years since I've had that.
Oh, I make it every Thanksgiving. But I make it different. And it's really good when the way I make it.
You are different.
Yes, he is. Yes, he is.
And I'm beautiful, damn it.
Well,
I don't know if I'd go that far.
beauty is in the eye of the beholder.
Beer holder.
Put your beer goggles on, Xander.
I think I'd be more than that.
I think you're right.
Oh boy. Alright, so the action's going on down here, Scott.
Well, we were busy filming you because you're just so beautiful.
You are beautiful.
You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful.
Damn it. Alright, so tamper torques getting tightened down.
Twist that screw, baby. Yeah.
Don't need to
all
go.
the way.
You don't need to go ape shit.
What did you just say?
You don't need to go ape shit.
Coming from the baby gorilla, who is basically a bull in a china shop.
Most of the time. I'm gentle. I'm gentle.
Thank you, Xander.
I like to caress.
I'm scared.
Okay, and I'm just gonna go check everything for snug. And just like that, boys and girls.
Ta-da! Dun, 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 dun.
Your fuel pressure regulator.
Isn't it pretty?
No. Yes. Definitely better than what was in there.
Exactly.
All right, so
But on that note, hold on. What do we say, Xander?